Just into the newsroom, the Evangeline Parish Sheriff's Office has arrested the suspect of the murder in Oakdale. Braden Perkins was charged with second-degree murder and aggravated second-degree battery. He is being held at the Evangeline Parish Jail without bond.
From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Eric's forecast.
Hope you had a wonderful weekend and able to stay cool during these hot summer days like we had here the past couple, with heat indices getting into those triple digit with plenty of sunshine. Now, we did have a couple isolated showers that a few of us had to dodge through the afternoons, and it did provide some relief, and that's pretty much going to be the story as we move into the upcoming work week. Hot and humid days with a slight chance for maybe a spotty shower. Taking a look across the country, though, we are looking at numerous systems working across the main portions as we have some severe weather now moving through Georgia and into the lower portions of South Carolina, with some severe thunderstorm warnings over towards that area and up into North Carolina. Another system moving out of Oklahoma and pushing into Arkansas, producing a little bit of some severe weather, but that system looks to be dying out, and that's going to continue to push into Mississippi and stay to the north of us. And then we have a third system moving through the Great Plains, getting ready to push into Kansas, Oklahoma, and the northern portions of Texas. That is producing some severe weather with very gusty winds. It looks to be a boat echo, beginning maybe a derecho starting to form with this system, so we could see some 70-80 mile-an-hour wind gusts out ahead with that system. But all that bad weather is going to stay up to the north, and we're going to continue to see just plenty of sunshine moving into our Monday and Tuesday. You can see those isolated showers that we had developed this afternoon. Most of that activity coming to an end with the clouds clearing out. We do have one maybe very small shower over towards Lake Charles, but even that is beginning to die and will continue to fizzle out over here in the next hour or so. And we should go dry through the overnight hours. Temperatures right now, though, very muggy at 83 degrees here at 10 o'clock, 82 in New Iberia. Wind still howling out of the south-southeast offshore, anywhere from 14 to 21 miles per hour. So still could be looking at some choppy conditions farther out, but inland not looking too bad. So if you are doing some fishing over in the bays or protected waters tomorrow, shouldn't be too bad. We're looking at only 2 to 4 foot seas with pretty light chop on those protected waterways. So through the overnight, not looking too bad. We should wake up with mostly clear skies. So you want to grab those sunglasses tomorrow morning, as you're going to need it out the door with a fair amount of sunshine all throughout our Monday. Most of us here in Acadiana stay dry, but you do see the possibility for 1 or 2 isolated showers, maybe though developing down towards Morgan City and over to New Orleans. I think that's where they're going to have the best chance of maybe seeing one of those pop-up showers during the afternoon. I wouldn't be surprised though if they see it, but I think most of us here in Lafayette and farther north stay dry for our Monday. But gradually moving throughout the week, we will see those rain chances start to steadily increase. Moving into Tuesday, though, high pressure still somewhat in control, but you do see maybe a few isolated showers down towards the coast. But again, I think we stay dry for the most part outside of 1 or 2 isolated showers in Acadiana. But by Wednesday, though, that's when we're starting to look at maybe a little bit more instability in the atmosphere, and you can really see that offshore come Wednesday morning. Some of that moisture could get pushed onshore during the afternoon, so that's why we'll maybe go 20-30% chance for a few isolated scattered showers making their way in across Acadiana. But for the most part, it's just going to be high and very humid the next couple days. So for the rest of your Sunday night, though, it's going to be warm and sticky, 76 for the overnight low, but that could even be generous. I think we might only get down to 77 or 78 with clear skies. And if you do see that bright star next to the moon, that would be Jupiter out there, and you can really see it with those clear skies this evening. So if you want to go see that, go step outside right now. Hazy and hot and humid for your Monday, 93 for the high, but it feeling like the triple digits, and there's that 10 to 20% chance for that stray shower, especially down closer to the Gulf Coast. And pretty much that's the story all the way down the line. 92 to 93 during the afternoon, feeling like the triple digits with a 20, maybe 30% chance for that shower on Wednesday. But for the most part, it'll just be during the afternoon hours that we'll have to worry about that. So just kind of have the umbrella in the car just in case. But for the most part, just get ready for that heat.